Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I honestly had no idea what kind of look I was going to create today, but I really want to stay away from the brown still, so I came up with this cranberry magenta look. If you guys want to see how I created it, please keep watching. So I'm going to start by priming my eyelids with Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Lid Primer. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and just pat it on my eyelid. You can use your beauty blender to blend it in if you would like. Just make sure it's all over. And I'm going to set that using my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in Cupcake. I'm going to set that with my Face Bake and Blend brush. Make sure to get all the way up to the brow bone. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's 35M Boss Mood Palette. And I'm going to go in with this red for my transition shade, and that is called Red Carpet. I'll be taking this color on my JH36 brush. And I really want to keep it in the last 3/4 of my eyelid, just because I'm going to be putting another color in here, and I don't want it to go too much in there. But just make sure it's blended right. So the next color I'm going to blend into my crease is this pinky red burgundy color, and it's called Sweet Beets. And I'll be blending that in using my JH37 blending brush. I'm going to just blend this one more into my outer V and not bring it up as high as Red Carpet. And I'm just really getting it in the outer V so it slips under my eyelid a little bit, just so it makes the transition to my under eyeshadow a little bit smoother. And like I always say, if you get any lines up there, take a bit of the brush you used before, or a clean fluffy brush, and just blend that out. And next I'm just going to deepen this up a little bit more with this dark burgundy, and that is called FOTD. I'm going to go in with that same brush that I just used, the JH37. And now I'm going to go in with a clean fluffy brush, and this is the JH30. And I'm just going to make sure the shadow by the brow bone is blended out well, and by the eye. So now on my lid, I'm going to be going in with Fired Up. And I'm just going to take this smudger brush, it's Anastasia Beverly Hills A3. And I'm just going to be blending that onto my lid. Blending it right into the color above. So now I'm going to go into that red that we used first, then the burgundy pink, and then the dark burgundy. And I'm just gonna kind of transition that across my lid. Using the same brush the entire time. I'm just gonna kind of rub it off on the towel and go for it. So first with the red. Pink red, pink burgundy. And then with the dark burgundy. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and fade some black into the edge. And this black is called Black Magic. And I'm still going to be using that same smudger brush. Start off with a little bit and just kind of blend it in there. Actually, I'm going to go in and smudge this out with my JH39 pencil brush. Just because it's way smaller, so I can get it a little bit more precise. So now for the under eye, I'm going to use that same JH39 brush, and I'm going to go in with that dark burgundy, the last red that we used. Also going to take a bit of that orange and just blend it into the beginning of your eye. And I'm going to take a little bit of black, just a little bit. Put that right on the lash line. For eyeliner, I'm going to go in with Too Faced Man Eater liner. And I'm just going to do my wing as always. So now for lashes, I'm going to be going in with the Lilly lashes in Ella. Ella. I think it's Ella, but there's only one L. So while I wait for those to dry, I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and I'm going to be using Morphe's Brontour in Frenemy. I'm going to be using this on my JH03 brush. I'm also going to use this color to contour my nose, just the matte side. And to blend this out, I'm going to be using that Huda Beauty brush again. Now for blush, I'm going to be using Morphe's 8C Cool Pro palette. I'm going to go in with Queen on my Sigma F15 blush brush. So now for my highlight, I'm going to be going in with MAC's Iridescent powder, and this is in Golden Bronze. It's loose, so it's a little bit more messy, but I really love the color. And I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlighting brush. And when you use a loose highlighter, you don't want to just go in super fast. You kind of want to swipe, because otherwise it'll just go everywhere. For my nose, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 brush. And then with my finger, I'll go up the bridge. And then my Cupid's bow. I'm also going to use this color to highlight my brow bone and inner corner on my JH39 pencil brush. Starting with the brow bone. Lastly, I'm going to go with lips, and I'm going to be using MAC's Burning Love Powder Kiss lipstick. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. I hope you guys like this cranberry magenta look and want to recreate it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.